especially from this April. We had the 17th anniversary of Pyramid Valley, and from April 1st onwards, we started focusing on the digital platform. And from this past 5 months, we had 5,500 subscribers. So total subscribers are now 7,400. And we are very glad so many members are watching the spiritual programs. Especially during this pandemic, the spirituality is helping everyone. And this platform is helping us to go to every nook and corner of the world. Sir, I would like to share a few things. So in the total YouTube, Pyramid Valley YouTube channel, right now we have about 5,60,000 views. And the topmost video is Flute Meditation by Brahmarshi Patriji. We uploaded this video before 4 months, and right now it has 57K views, 57,000 views. And lot of members are playing that audio every day and doing meditation. So we are very happy for that. And these many days, we used to have a Pyramid Valley campus video as a topmost, and now Flute Meditation has beaten that. And the next is the Pyramid Valley campus video, which is 30,000 views from the past 1 year. And very recently, last week, we uploaded another video, meditation experiences of Mrs. Vani from Pamuru. As Patriji has said in one of the videos, we immediately took a step and we uploaded that. Just in a matter of a week's time, we are having 13,000 views, sir. So by this we can understand how much is the necessity of spirituality. And in this digital time, in this pandemic, we have been organizing a lot of sessions on weekends, master classes, which is a 2-day workshop, and a global master talk on the Saturday evening. And apart from that, we are organizing corporate meditation sessions by Mr. Chandra Pulamar Setti, and also Spiritual Science Foundation sessions by Mr. Shivaramappa. And we are giving Patriji's live, which is the alternate day live in Telugu. And recently we have also started Swarnamrutam, the biography of Patri Madam. So a lot of sessions are going. And Patri sir, the programs are viewed from the age group of 35 to 55. So 50% of the people are from that age group. And thank you everyone. So please subscribe to Pyramid Valley YouTube channel. And now the studio is here. We are going to broadcast many, many more spiritual programs. Thank you everyone.
Good evening, my dear friends. It's a great privilege to take this first step in establishing a world-class studio in Pyramid Valley, which is an international meditation center for Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. It's a great honor to have Patriji inaugurate this during this time when a lot of digital programs are required, and we've been doing a lot of work in that. This is just the initial beginning, and we hope to have a world-class setup so that international visitors here can record their experiences, and we can create and produce many high quality spiritual science videos and programs, live programs from here, including live trainings from the studio. That is a plan. We hope to do all that with all your support and cooperation. And thanks to Patri sir for his vision of establishing such studios, PMC studios all over the place. And it is only fitting that an international meditation center like Pyramid Valley should have one. And this is a great step towards it. Thank you, sir, for the vision and the opportunity. Thank you.
We need to come to meditation.
I started doing Anapanasati meditation from the year 2005, I think, 2004 or 2005, through our common good friend, Chandrasekhar Pulamar Setti and his family. So both of us were friends in the US. When we came back, he got into this whole movement and meditation, and he introduced us to that. From then, I and my wife Bindu have been doing meditation since then. And meditation, the benefits of meditation have been profound in whatever I've done at work and as well as at home for both of us. And I also got the opportunity to do several roles for Pyramid Valley International from the time it was being set up. So we were responsible for the initial websites, and then I was become the board member for Pyramid Valley, and then I owned up some programs, the GFSS or GCSS as it used to be called. So I used to own some of those, and now currently I'm the managing trustee here. And it's all a great experience. Patri sir always doesn't just teach meditation. He also gives a lot of these projects and assignments so that we learn working with people, working with situations as they come up. And it's been a great learning and a wonderful experience. I'm thankful for everything. Thank you.
Pradeep.
Hello, good evening friends. My first pranamas to my Guruji Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji and Sagar sir, Rajan sir and Girijaraja madam. Actually, I am very much happy today indeed. I am in Valley and so after so many days I am in Valley, and I am in there with the inauguration of the Kabir studio. So I am very much thankful to sir to appear presence my presence, and I am very much connected to the Pyramid Valley since 17 years. In 2002 I was coming with Patri sir, a very small hut, and having a small hut pyramid, and spending time here day and night. And now it is in 2020. Now we are having a huge Pyramid Valley elaboration. So that I'm very much happy. From 17 years I am looking each step by step, so much connected to the Pyramid Valley and the programs, and connected to the programs which we are attending, and being into voluntary services for every part of Annadana, and like Sagar sir said, GCSS programs and all. So here there is a very vast experience, vast knowledge in this Pyramid Valley, and hope every person, every meditator will be evolving from this Pyramid Valley. I am very much thankful to this valley and sir. So this again from digital media, sir has given me the one best work in the whole, like PMC Kannada. So I'm looking after that PMC Kannada, so that even though even this also is be connected, like again PMC connected to me to this studios and media. So I'm very much happy thing to share this experience to me. Thank you, sir.
Come, Swarnamala ji. Rajan ji.
Thank you, Patriji. So, my dear co-creators, today is a golden day in the history of the Pyramid Valley, because we are now inaugurating a studio, and that too in the prime place in the Pyramid Valley, which is a slice of heaven on earth, and that too in Kabir Bhavan. So this is yet another milestone for the PSSM, because we are doing great things all along throughout the world, and particularly in Pyramid Valley. And this has been a long felt need for the Pyramid Valley to have a studio from where we can communicate to the world around through our spiritual wisdom, and particularly to enable people to learn meditation and also adopt vegetarianism, so that the healing process, the self-healing, is also introduced thereby. I would like to also make a small announcement, in the sense that we would like to communicate to the world the views of very great spiritual scientists, particularly Harold W. Percival, whose book Thinking and Destiny has been really creating waves because it is one of the best books that I have ever read, thanks to Brahmashri Patriji, who introduced me to the world of books. And shortly, probably on 5th of September, which is the Teachers' Day, on that day we would like to inaugurate the program of giving audio messages on each day, every day that is, in the early morning, with the messages from this great book. And we are going to have wonderful sessions through this studio which we are inaugurating today. And we have to congratulate our able, dynamic Managing Trustee Sai Kripasagar for the steps he has taken to introduce this and start this venture. And I'm sure all of us will be amazed by the response that we are going to get. We might definitely touch a figure of 1 lakh probably by the end of December, and that is very sure, because it is our aim to spread wisdom to whoever wants it, because there are so many spiritual seekers waiting to hear from us, waiting to listen to us, waiting to know what is spirituality. And I have nostalgic memories, because this is the very room I used to occupy for the last when I served my 2 terms as Managing Trustee here. And from here we used to have weekend classes on different subjects. So I am sure I will be able to continue the process here. And thanks to the team, the camera team, and all the other people, including Chandu, Shalini, and all who are part of the Pyramid Valley team here, who are doing wonderful work to help spread the philosophy of the PSSM. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, Patriji, for giving this great opportunity. Yeah, this is the studio is the need of the hour, really. We needed it, and you knew it, and that is why you brought PMC in on time. That is a great master's timing, at which Patriji started PMC. It's very, very great insight and great going here. And we have been, during this COVID lockdown period, we are able to connect to the rest of the world very easily. And so it is a real boon. And Pyramid Valley I have been seeing for the past so many years. One by one, everything is added here for the benefit of the entire world. So those people who cannot come over here and physically be here, they can see through this great studio all these programs and benefit thereby, taking to spirituality in their lives very seriously. And definitely I'm sure this studio will help in the upliftment of the society in a very great and grand manner. So thank you so much, whoever has participated in bringing about this studio, especially Mr. Sagar and all the others who have worked for it. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you, Patriji. You have done such a great wonder to the entire humanity. Thanks a lot.
Swarnamalaji, thank you for being here in the spirit of Pyramid Valley International. Your message.
Thank you, PMC. First of all, we are transmitting so much of energy through this media. After PMC came, the media been working, this PMC media been working a lot. Even though people are not connected directly or physically, they can see all the master's messages and experiences through PMC. So this PMC made a great wonders to the PSSM. So this valley really very badly need this studio. I was waiting for this moment, but this is happened. Sagar helped us in every way to bring this out. And we are doing a great job for the universe. For the universe, we are giving so much of information about spirituality and all the about meditation, so that PMC works a lot. Hats off to PMC. Thank you for all the team, all the medias. Not Pyramid Valley, not Hyderabad, not Hindi, not Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Gujarati, Bengali, Hindi, so global, English, all the PMC, really, thank you very much.
My dear friends, my dear masters and my dear gods, every day is a golden day for a person who seeks truth. Every person, every human being wants truth. If a human being only wants food and sleep, then he is an animal. But a human being is much more than an animal. What a human being wants is truth. Truth of the whole self, truth of the whole creation. Truth about life. So, everybody wants the truth. The whole of the humanity. And when truth happens in a human being, he is called enlightened. With enlightenment comes happiness, health, fulfillment, and a total togetherness with every other being. Truth is there everywhere, but we have to search for it. Once you have the truth, then you have to distribute it, make it available to others. All the rishis of India and the whole world, all the spiritual scientists of India and the whole world have obtained truth, which is universal. Now this truth has to be distributed to every other person, every other human being. It has to reach every human being. That's where this meditation channel comes into being. The Pyramid Spiritual Society movement has produced, has trained thousands and thousands of truth seekers and truth havers. Now all this truth, which is available with every rishi, every spiritual scientist, must go into every other home and enlighten everybody else. In that connection, we have been going from door to door, from house to house, all these years, from village to village, from town to town, from city to city, from country to country. We've been physically moving and teaching everybody. However, in the past 4 or 5 months, the whole scenario has changed because of a great COVID situation. And in this situation, where we are not able to move out. The great way is to spread the truth information through these channels, especially Pyramid Meditation Channel, PMC. Everybody's experience must be recorded, must be edited, and must be broadcast. For that we need good studios everywhere. The first studio we started was in Hyderabad a couple of years back. Then we have started a studio in Chennai. Then we started a studio in Bengaluru city. We have also started a studio in New Delhi. And we are in the process of starting studios everywhere, all over India. Now this is one more edition today. We are starting a studio in this Pyramid Valley International. Our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has always stressed upon the digital revolution. He saw the need for a great digital revolution many years back. As soon as he assumed Prime Ministership, he sent a message for digitalization. And a couple of years back, the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement also has taken up the challenge, and we have started a series of studios everywhere. Now this is the future. We don't have to travel anywhere physically. The information has to travel. The information has to be communicated. It is best done through the digital media. To convey the truth to the whole humanity of more than 7.5 billion people, we need so many studios. We need a lakh of studios. We need a couple of lakhs of cameras and cameramen. I am foreseeing a big army of cameramen. In the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. Everywhere there will be studios, and everywhere people will access the science of meditation, science of spirituality, science of healthy diet, and the science of pyramid energy. These are four wonderful things that we have discovered during the course of Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. Absolutely righteous and healthy diet, absolutely simple and straightforward meditation technology, the whole gamut of spiritual science. Spiritual science means how events are formed in everybody's human life. Events are formed through the thoughts, through the words, and the deeds happen. Behind every deed, there are a great number of thoughts and great number of words. Thoughts convert themselves into words, and words convert themselves into deeds, events. This is how events are created in everybody's human life. The health is created by his own thought, and the diseases, illnesses are also created by the thought systems. This is the most important thing that everybody has to understand, the spiritual science. The current age is a spiritual science age. The current age is a meditation age. The current age is the right diet age. And the current age is pyramid energy age. Now, these four things have to reach into the human brain everywhere. And the digital media, the audio-visual media is the best way, the best thing that is happening on the Earth planet right now. People don't have to travel anywhere to get in touch with meditation. They can stay at their respective homes and access the whole science of meditation, science of spirituality, science of pyramid energy, and science of right diet. Everybody can live now perfectly healthy and perfectly happy lives through this great access to the truth. And thanks to Sai Krupa Sagarji, we are highly indebted to you for enabling this to happen here. This is the beginning of the Pyramid Valley studio here in this Kabir Bhavan. We want a number of cameras here, we want a number of cameramen here, Swamiji, and a world-class editing room, and the team of editors. And we have already collected so much information from all our past activities in this Pyramid Valley. Hundreds and hundreds of greatest spiritual scientists possible from all over the world, they have come here and they have delivered. And hundreds of thousands will be coming here in the future. So we have to edit whatever we have done in the past perfectly and present them. And then also we have to record whatever is going to happen from today onwards in this studio and present them very beautifully through the channel, our Great Pyramid Meditation channel, to the whole world. Lot of work is there, and this is the happiest work. When you work for the spreading of truth in this world, you are the most happiest person. Nothing gives to a person more happiness than spreading the truth. We have established Pyramid Valley International as the main center for the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. And it has been developed so very beautifully because of the help of so many Pyramid Masters, and especially Shreyans Dagaji. We thank Shreyans Dagaji wholeheartedly for his monumental support, monumental work, guidance here in this Pyramid Valley International and elsewhere also. Elsewhere in the whole of India, the whole of the world, it is his great support that we have been able to do all these things. On this day, my special thanks, my special gratitude to Sri Shreyans Dagaji. Every Pyramid Master is a gem. Every Pyramid Master is a great Buddha. Every Pyramid Master is a great Maitreya Buddha. That Gautama Buddha, 2500 years back, said a few wonderful things. When somebody told Buddha in those days that there was never a person a greater than you in the past or in the future, there can be never a person in the future. When Buddha corrected him saying, there have always been great Buddhas in the past and there will be great Buddhas in the future. I am not the only Buddha. I am just one of the Buddhas. So he corrected the person about 2500 back. And he personally said, I am going to come back after 2500 years to be called as Maitreya Buddha. This was what he said 2500 years back. Now what is this Maitreya Buddha? Every Pyramid Master is a Maitreya Buddha, a perfect master. The whole pyramid spiritual society movement consists of all the Maitreya Buddhas. And because of these Maitreya Buddhas, the whole earth planet is going to be a heaven, where everywhere there will be compassion, there will be right diet, there will be understanding of the spirituality, and there will be great meditation everywhere. And pyramids will be there everywhere. The first pyramid started in the year 1990 in a small district town called as Kurnool, in the state of Andhra Pradesh. That was the beginning, grand beginning. Now, in India, more than 20,000 pyramids are there in 20,000 villages and towns. And this Pyramid Valley International is our international headquarters. And nobody should have any problem in life. Life should be a joyous celebration every given minute for everybody. And there should be great togetherness everywhere. The whole humanity is one family. For the past 20-25 days, I am here in this Pyramid Valley International. Although we have had this great Pyramid Valley here, I have never been here so very peacefully, so very happily all these days. The COVID can be counteracted only with meditation and compassion. This truth will go out from this studio to the whole of the world. This message will go from this place. The only antidote for COVID is meditation. The antidote cannot be discovered by the science. It is not at all possible. It is out of its science capabilities. However, science has given great technology in communication. We use this great science and technology of communication to spread the ideas of science of spirituality, science of meditation, science of pyramid energy, science of right diet. And today, we are very, very happy to inaugurate this studio in the Pyramid Valley International. I am sure many things will happen in the Pyramid Valley International. Bengaluru, and in future I see great queues to enter the Pyramid Valley here. There will be a big waiting list for people to go into the Great Pyramid, the Maitreya Pyramid of the Pyramid Valley, and to do meditation there. I am seeing a great number of queues. Of course, following the rules of social distancing. But there will be a great flow here. Thank you very much, Krupa Sagarji.
Flow here to see Patriji.
Patriji won't be here, he is there all over the world. On this great occasion, let us do our meditation. Please close your eyes and observe your breathing. For about 10 minutes, let us do meditation. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀನೇ ನೀನೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀನೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀನೇ ನೀನೇ. ನಿನ್ನನೇ ಪೂಜಿಸುಕೋ, ಆತ್ಮನೇ ತಿಳಿದುಕೋ. ನಿನ್ನನೇ ಪೂಜಿಸುಕೋ, ಆತ್ಮನೇ ತಿಳಿದುಕೋ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಗವಂತ, ಭಗವಂತನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾನು ನಾನು. ನನಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆತ್ಮವೇ ನಿತ್ಯವು, ಆತ್ಮವೇ ಸತ್ಯವು. ಆತ್ಮವೇ ನಾವು, ನಮಗೆ ಜಯವೋ ಜಯವೋ. ಜಯವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ, ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಜಯವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ, ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಸತ್ಯವ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಸ್ವಸ್ಥತೆ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತ ಅದುವೇ ವರವೋ ವರವೋ. ವರವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ, ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವರವನ್ನೇ ಕೋರೋಣ, ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಸದ್ಗುರು, ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವು. ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಪ್ರಾಣವು, ಶ್ವಾಸವೇ ಜೀವವು ಜೀವವು. ಶ್ವಾಸನೇ ಕೂಡುವ ಬಾ, ಧ್ಯಾನವಾ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ. ಶ್ವಾಸನೇ ಕೂಡುವ ಬಾ, ಧ್ಯಾನವಾ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ. தியானம் செய்ய வேண்டும். தியானம் செய்தால் ஞானம், ஞானம் பெற்றால் முக்தி. தியானம் ஒன்றே செய்ய வேண்டும். தியானமே செய்தால் சத்தியமே தெரிந்தால் விடுதலை கிடைத்தால் அதுதான் பெரும் வரும் பெரும் வரும். வரங்களை பெறலாமே, தியானம் செய்யலாமே. आत्मवे नित्यं आत्मवे सत्यं नामे आत्मा नमके वेट्री वेट्री வெற்றியே கிடைக்க வேண்டும் அதற்கு தியானமும் செய்ய வேண்டும் வெற்றியே கிடைக்க வேண்டும் அதற்கு தியானமும் செய்ய வேண்டும் பர அபகாரமே சுய அபகாரம் பர உபகாரமே சுய உபகாரம் உபகாரம் செய்யலாமே தியானம் கற்பிக்கலாமே உபகாரம் செய்யலாமே ध्यानं कर्पिकलामे श्वास में सद्गुरु श्वास में मार्गम श्वास में प्राणं श्वास में जीवन जीवन श्वासतिले நிலைக்க வேண்டும் மனோ தியானம் செய்ய வேண்டும் தினமோ 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 தியானம் ஒன்றே செய்ய வேண்டும் தியானமோ சேதமா కళ్ళు రెండు మూసి తలబుల నిద్రుంజే కళ్ళు రెండు మూసి తలబుల నిద్రుంజే శ్వాస ధ్యాస ఉంచదమా ధ్యానము చేసేదము ಧ್ಯಾನ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ध्यान को अपनावे सांस के हो जावे श्वास की प्रेक्षा ध्यान की दीक्षा श्वास की प्रेक्षा ध्यान की दीक्षा ध्यान दीक्षा ले लेवे ध्यानी बन जावे मन की शांति तन की स्वस्थता खुशियों को पाले वे ध्यानी बन जावे सांस के हो जावे तन मन बाहर दशम द्वार जाहिर तन मन बाहर दशम द्वार जाहिर ब्रह्म कमल खिल जावे ध्यानी बन जावे ब्रह्म कमल खिल जावे ध्यानी बन जावे सांस को अपनावे देह रथ जानो देहि रथिक पहचानो देह रथ जानो देहि रथिक पहचानो आत्मज्ञान पाले ध्यानी 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 बन जावे बन जावे सांस के हो जावे जन्म जन्मों के राही जन्मों से छुटकारा आत्ममोक्ष पाले वे ध्यानी बन जावे सांस के हो जावे छोड़ दे पूजा कोई न दूजा छोड़ दे पूजा कोई न दूजा आत्मद्रष्ट बन आत्मद्रष्ट बन आत्मद्रष्ट बन जावे योगी बन जावे कर्म कर्म में धर्म पल पल में आनंद कर्म कर्म में धर्म पल पल में आनंद आनंद ले ले वे ध्यानी बन जावे छह कमलों के ऊपर सत्यलोक पहचानो आत्मसत्य बाले वे ध्यानी बन जावे सांस को अपनावे सब प्राणी सुंदर हम भी सुंदर सुंदरता जी वे ध्यानी बन जावे सुंदरता जी वे साधु संत बन साधु संत बन साधु संत बन जावे सांस के हो जावे ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಮುರಿದು ಶ್ವಾಸ ಧ್ಯಾಸ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಮುರಿದು ಶ್ವಾಸ ಧ್ಯಾಸ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಧ್ಯಾನವ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಾ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾ Be with your breath, my dear friends. Be with your normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breath. The breath is the guru in the art and science of the practice of meditation. The guru is always with us. And our guilt is that we are never with our guru. How can we be happy and healthy when you are not with guru? How can you have a purposeful human incarnation when you don't have your guru? And where is your guru? Your guru is always with you, right from your birth, in the form of your breath. This is the great discovery of the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. Your guru is always with you. You don't have to go in search of your guru. The guru is waiting for you in your own nose. As breath, now you have to become one with the breath, stopping all other activity of your mind, postponing the rest of your activity of your, and become one with your breath. कृपया कोई भी आंखें न खोलें, सांसों के साथ दोस्तानी तथा सांसों के साथ मस्तानी, ना ही कोई सोच ना ही कोई विचार, मन शून्य हो जावे, परिशून्य हो जावे, महापरिशून्य हो जावे. ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಾಲೆರಡು ಜೋಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಶ್ವಾಸದ ಜೊತೆಯೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫೈನಲ್ 1 second. Just be with your breath, the incoming and the outgoing. That's what we need to do. Nothing else is there for us. To overcome all our health problems, unhappiness problems. No more ill health, no more unhappiness. When there is breath with you, your guru is with you, how can there be illness in the body, and unhappiness in the mind, and lack of understanding in your intellect? How can there be? The guru is the light of the body and the mind and the intellect and the Atma. The guru is there with you in your nose as breath. Become one with the breath. That's all you need to do. You need to be with your breath for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, as much as possible. This is the essential message of the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. The guru will set you right. The guru will replace all your bad habits with good habits, with bad diets with good diets, with negative thinking gone in the presence of guru. Only positive thinking remains. Miraculous thinking is what we are thinking of. Every thought should be a miracle. All miracles are produced out of your thoughts. Let there be miraculous thinking. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Thank you, please.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a very good inauguration of the Kabir studio and a wonderful meditation session. We'll continue to have many programs here, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you, Mr.